This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Front brake pads renewal. Chock the rear wheels. Firmly apply the handbrake. Remove the wheel trims and slacken the wheel bolts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it securely on axle stands. Remove the front wheels. Lever the caliper away from the discs to release the pads. Then, using a flat-bladed screwdriver, remove the retaining spring. To improve access, turn the hub onto full lock. Remove the guide pin cover caps. Then undo and remove the guide pins. Lift the caliper upwards to gain access to the brake pads and remove the outer and inner pads. Tie the caliper in the raised position using string or wire to avoid straining the brake line. Clean the caliper and the caliper bracket. Before new brake pads are fitted, the caliper piston must be pushed back into the cylinder to allow for the extra pad thickness. Either use a G-clamp or similar tool, or use suitable pieces of wood as levers. Clamp off the flexible brake hose leading to the caliper, then connect a brake bleeding kit to the caliper bleed screw. Open the bleed screw as the piston is retracted. The surplus brake fluid will be collected in the bleed kit vessel. Close the bleed screw just before the caliper piston is pushed fully into the caliper. This should ensure no air enters the hydraulic system. Apply a smear of high-temperature grease to the contact areas of the backing plates and refit the anti-rattle springs, if fitted, to the mounting bracket. Fit the pad wear spring, if fitted, to the outer pad, then place the outer pad in position. Clip the inner pad into the piston. Remove the backing paper on the brake pads, lower the caliper into position and lubricate and secure the new guide pins. Refit the caps. Refit the caliper retaining spring. With the brake pads installed, depress the brake pedal repeatedly until normal, non-assisted pedal pressure is restored and the pads are pressed into firm contact with the brake disc. Refit the wheels and lightly tighten the wheel bolts. Jack up the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts. Refit the wheel trim. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels.